Over the course of 3 movies, we will be looking at Covid-19. In movie 1, we examine the virus and the cells that make up our body. In movie 2, we will see how the virus invades our cells and makes us unwell. And movie 3, we will show how our cells can fight back. But a word of caution, science is always learning. There are things we still do not know about the virus, but we have a good idea and we are finding out new things every day. However, as we learn more, some of these details in this video may change. Always question things, always check the facts. In our final movie, we will see how the body's immune system can fight back at the virus. Your immune system is a collection of very special cells in your body that act like soldiers ready to fight the virus. We will look at 3 very important cells in the immune system: the T cells, the B cells, and the phagocytes. Your body has a whole army of these cells, and when they meet the virus, they go to battle. This is the phagocyte cell. It is a large cell that goes around our bodies looking for particles that might be harmful, like viruses. When it finds a virus, this large cell can wrap itself around the virus and swallow it up. Inside the cell, the phagocyte has special enzyme molecules that can break the virus up into pieces and then eject it back out. It can also hold on to the virus's surface protein. Do you remember, this was the protein that the virus uses to unlock the cell and get in? The phagocyte meets up with a T cell. T cells can do different things. Some can fight and kill the virus in the cell. Others, called helper T cells, can take the virus protein and bring it to the B cells. It can examine the virus protein and then make another protein that fits around it perfectly, making the key useless. Imagine if someone put chewing gum on your front door key. You couldn't use it. This new protein that the B cell makes is called an antibody. And once it has figured out how to make it, it can make loads and loads. It pushes out the new protein, which eventually finds the virus particles and sticks to it. You will recall how the virus unlocked the cell using its surface protein. Well, now with the antibody stuck to it, it can no longer fit in the cell's receptor protein, and so it can't get in, and the cell is saved. After many days of defending and attacking, our immune system eventually wins the war and the virus is defeated. While the battle is going on, you may feel ill, but because you are young and strong, you can win the battle. But some older people and people who are ill with other conditions may find it much harder to win the battle, and sadly for some, they may lose it. That is why it is so important to avoid the virus in the first place, because the best defense is not to let the virus in at all. Stay safe, stay home.